Hello guys, we are back with a Shein tutorial video where we will check how to use it on desktop. So when we land on the Shein website, we are greeted with some special deals for the day. To collect these offers, simply click on the Collect All button. A pop-up will appear on the screen. If you already have an account, just log in or register as a new user. For this demo, I'll go with my Google account. Once the account is created, we will see a confirmation message and we can click on Confirm. Now that we're logged in, we just click on Got It to grab the deal. And it will take us to a new page with offers tailored to our location or region. These deals may differ depending on local festivals, seasons, or special events. At the top of the screen, there is a menu with various categories to help us filter products. In each category, we will find popular shops and trending products as well. We can also swipe left on the top bar to explore more. If we need to find something specific, there is a search bar right in the center where we can type in keywords. On the right side, we have a profile icon to access our account, a cart icon where we can see all the products we've added, and a heart icon for our favorite products. There's also a customer service option in case we need any help, along with a setting to choose our currency and language. As we scroll down, we will see banners and offers that are relevant to our region, such as a Mother's Day sale or a summer kickoff discount. Below that, we will find more categories, and if we scroll a bit further, we will see options like super deals and top trends. Let's say we want to check out a super deal. Just click on it to open up. A new web page will appear on the screen where you will find all products are listed in the super deals and applied discount. So you just need to find one that you need and click on it to open. And on this new page, we can see full details related to the product. On the left side, we can check the images to confirm if the product is the same as what we need. On the right side, we will notice the SKU, which we can copy, along with the product price after applying the discount. The style type of the product may be different depending on the item. For example, clothing and garment products have different style types, so make sure to check them before proceeding. There is also a shipping section, which is very important because here we can find out whether the shipping is free or if there is a deal available for free shipping. We can also check the estimated delivery time to know when the product will be received at our address. Below this section, we can find the product description and the store name as well. Shein also gives us product-related suggestions here, so make sure to select the one that fits our needs and finally click on Add to Cart. The product will be added for checkout, and we can also save it to our wish list using the heart icon. Now let's go back to the home page, and from there we can explore more products for shopping. And once everything is done, from the top right side, open the cart to proceed to the order page. Here on the cart page, we can see the products that we added earlier, and we will also see all the details of each product, including quantity and the updated price after applying the discount. On the right side, or in the summary section, we will see the complete breakdown of the order, such as the retail price, the discount that has been applied, any ongoing promotions, and the shipping charges if applicable. So we need to carefully review all these details before proceeding. Once everything looks good and we are satisfied with the order, simply click on the checkout button to proceed further. After clicking on checkout, a new page will open where we need to add the shipping address. Enter the details like full name, phone number, address, city, and other required information to make sure the delivery is completed correctly. Once the address is added, we will again see the order summary on this page, where all the details are listed so we can confirm everything. Here we will find the coupon section, which may already have an offer applied, but if we have a gift card, we can manually enter it in the given section. Once everything is done, click on Checkout to place the order. After placing the order, if we want to check the profile or manage the account, go back to the home screen, and from the top right, click on the profile icon, then click on the username. This will take us to the profile section where we can see different options. Here we can check the coupons by clicking on the coupon section. These coupons may vary depending on different offers and events, so it is always a good idea to review them before making a purchase. We can also make them visible by clicking on the eye icon. We can also see the points in this section, which are earned from different activities, and these points can be used for discounts. There is also a wallet section where we can check the balance, and if we have any gift cards, we can add them here. In the same profile section, we will find the customer service section, where we can check messages received from sellers or the Shein team. We can also find the wish list, where all the products saved using the heart icon are listed, along with recent activity on the platform. In addition, there is an order section where we can track all current and previous order history. On the left side, we will find the Shein Club membership option. If we open it, we can see the membership fee and the benefits that we will receive after becoming a premium member. These benefits may include discount offers and coupons, and we can also choose different plans according to our needs. Next, there is the Profile section, where we can see the username and some additional preferences that can be selected and saved. After completing this section, we may earn points that can be useful while shopping. The next section is the Address Book, where we will find the saved addresses, or we can click on Add New Address as a new user. Here, we need to provide details including country, phone number, state, home address, and zip code. We can also checkmark the Make Default option if we want to use this address every time, and then click on Save. The address will be saved, and we can add more than one address if needed. Next is the Payment option, where we will find the payment methods added for checkout, or we can click on the plus icon to add a new one. Select the method type that we want to add, then provide the required details related to the account and confirm to save it. After this section, move to the Measurement section, which is very important. Make sure to add all the necessary details so they can be used for clothing purchases, and review everything carefully to get the exact fit needed. Then we move to the Manage My Account section, where we will find account details such as the email used for login, phone number, and other information. If we check the Assets section, we have already explored these options on the Profile main page. We have also already checked the My Orders section and the My Favorites section, where we can see the products added to the Favorites tab. Next, in the Other Services section, we will find a Trial section where we can see the requests placed for free trials, as well as completed requests. Make sure to review the policies that the Shein platform follows, and that's it. We have covered each section clearly, and now you can explore it on your own. Thank you for watching.